Easily remove facial pimples with just one tool in Photoshop. Quick and easy. Practice image in the description. For more learning, check out the retouching tutorial on the channel. Watch how to use the clone stamp tool until the end to fully learn how to use it. To use the clone stamp tool, first hold down Alt Windows or Option Mac and click on a clean area of skin. Then move the mouse and drag it over the pimples or blemishes to remove them.